In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circle text in Canva. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media graphics, create a unique logo, or simply have some fun with design, knowing how to create circle text in Canva can be a game changer. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Canva website and log into your account. If you already have a design in mind, you can open it, or you might want to start fresh with a new canvas. Either way, having your canvas ready is the essential first step. In this demonstration, I'll be working with a blank canvas to keep things clear and simple. Now, to start adding some text, direct your attention to the left-hand side panel. Here, you'll find a menu with various options. Click on the icon labeled Text. This will give you a range of text options to choose from. You can decide to add a heading, a subheading, or a body of text, whichever suits your project best. For our purposes here, any of these choices will work just fine. Once you've selected your preferred text option, go ahead and type in the words or phrase you want to curve. It could be a short quote, your brand name, or just something fun, anything that you want in a circular form. Just make sure it's clear and concise to resonate well when curved. With your text in place, let's add the magical curve effect. Look towards the top of your canvas, and you'll notice a floating toolbar. Hover your cursor to the right side of this bar until you find the button labeled Effects. Click on it to reveal a menu of effects you can apply to your text. In the Effects menu, scroll down until you hit the Shape section. Here, you'll find an option called Curve. Select this effect to start bending your text into a circular shape. Immediately, you'll see your text transform, but it might not be the perfect circle you're envisioning just yet. This brings us to the critical step of adjusting the curve. With the curve feature applied, a slider will appear. Use this slider to adjust the arc of your text, bringing it closer or further from forming a perfect circle. This is where you can get creative and fine-tune the curve to match the aesthetic you're going for. Finally, you'll want to adjust the text size for balance and visibility. Click on the text box and, using the corners, drag it in or out to resize. You can also move the text around to find the perfect spot on your canvas. And there you have it, your very own circle text in Canva. Feel free to experiment with different fonts and colors to make your design truly stand out. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have fun creating.